Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafalay Prasetya. I'm from 10 Software Engineering, and today I want to review about my submission. And this submission is about recycler view and move with object. Okay, first of all, I'm using Kotlin static. So if you want to use Kotlin static, you must to add I new plugins and there is Kotlin Android extension. Okay, back to the topic. Result review. Result review. Before we make the result review, we have to make the item, and the item is like this. My application is about food, so yeah, I'm I'm making a result review of food. Okay, so yeah, um, I'm using linear layout for the view group, and it's inside of it is image and another layout for the text. And don't forget, every widget in the item need to have an idea. Is image food, text cost, text name, and text name of the restaurant. And after that, we make a model. Inside of the model, you we make a variable and determine the name and extend it into string question mark. This question mark is for the null, so it will be not null. And equal, this is the default value for string, and for integer is 0. Make it all of it, because I'm using detail and I will explain that later. And extend this class into a parse variable, and after it, this class will be red and it will be a red lamp. Just click on it and click implementation, and it will be like this. Okay, next is object or data. um, Inside of data, you make a variable, determine the name of the variable. For example, name of the food, and equal array of, and put a bracket. Inside the bracket, you can put your names of food like sate kampung, kebab, bakso, martabak, and others. Make it every what do I say? Every widget is for the text, the name text, here, name text, and name restaurant, and the cost. Yeah, name of the food, name of the restaurant, and the cost, and of course the image. And this is for the detail. After that, make a variable, list data of food, extend it into array list, and call the model that we make. Model get, put a bracket, normal bracket, and put a curly bracket. Inside of curly bracket, make a variable, determine the uh, make the name, and equal array list of. Oh yeah, I forgot about this image. The difference of image and the text. Image is equal in array of, but the text, because it's string, it's a type of string, use array, just array of, not in array of. Back to the list. Okay, array list of and call the model and put a normal bracket after it. And then for position in foot, name of foot dot indicates. This code is to, it's mean that the name of the foot is indicates. So if the name of the foot is 10, the other must be 10. So is indicates. And then put a curly bracket inside it, make a variable uh, data and call the model. Call the variable dot name. This is the variable inside of the model, and call the variable this name of the foot and position, and make it as as um just make it all of it, like all of it, for the name, for the restaurant name, for the cost, for the image, just make everything. And after that, list from that, call the model dot add and data inside of the bracket, and outside of the bracket return list this list from the variable outside of the for bracket, for curly bracket. Okay, now adapter. Adapter. Okay, the adapter linear. Make a private file inside of a normal bracket and extend it into array list and call the model. And this adapter is extend into results review dot adapter and call the class the adapter linear dot viewholder. This viewholder is from this class. So yeah, you can if you make it for the first time, it will be red. You can option return and just make a class inside of the class. And then view holder item view extend into view inside of the bracket, and this view holder class view holder is extend into recycler view dot view holder and item view inside of a bracket. And then this class have a curly bracket inside it, make a variable txt name. It's an id from the detail, or the it's an id from the data, from the item. This txt name. Okay, txt name, extend it into txt, I mean text view, and item view dot find view by id, and r dot id dot text view. I mean this is a variable and this is the id. So yeah, for the image, extend it into image view, not text view. Okay, move on create view holder. Make the variable, extend it into view, and layout inflator dot from parent and dot context inside of a bracket, normal bracket, dot inflate, and r dot layout dot data recycle parent false inside of a bracket, normal bracket. And after that return viewholder and call the layout viewholder. This is a class, viewholder class, and call the variable the layout. Okay, move on to on bind viewholder. This long part. Okay, make a variable and list data food from this private file that connects into the model. And position glide. Okay, because using glide we have to put implementation. this this implementation, where is it? Wait, this glide, we need to put we need to put this we need to add this implementation so that we can use glide.with holder.item view dot context inside of a bracket dot load and list data food position, just like this. Dot image. This image is from, wait, it's from the model. Okay, and call the variable inside of the model, because glide is for image, so yeah, this image inside of the bracket. Okay, dot into holder dot image food. This is an ID from the item and the detail from the item. Okay, inside of a bracket. This is for the image, and for the text holder dot txt, the variable. I mean, this is from the variable, not from the text, because this variable it's connect into the ID. It's connect into the ID that's from the item. Okay, move on. Where was I? Here. Uh, call the variable text.text because it will become a text, and call the variable that connects into list data food, and data food connects into model dot name. This name is a variable from the model, and do it uh, for everything. Okay, move on. I will explain this later. Okay, don't worry. Move on. Get item count. Just put return list data food from the private file that connect into the model, and dot size. Okay, now main activity. Make a private variable list that extend into array list and call the model and equal array list of, and put a normal bracket after it. Now on override fun on create recycler underscore food. This is an ID from here, from the XML. Wait. Sorry, from here. I forgot this inside of the activity main XML layout. Put a recycler view and list item. Add this code list item at layout slash data recycle is an item here, so it will recycle the item like this, but after we run it, it will be a different data. Okay, back to main activity. Here id dot set has fixed size true inside of bracket. Now call the variable list dot add all the data dot list data food. This is the data, and this is a variable inside of the object food. Okay, and this code is for put the data, different data. Okay, now next recycler food, call the id dot in layout manager is for the type of the layout. So it has three type: linear layout, grid layout, and stack layout. Here I'm using linear layout manager, and this inside of a normal bracket. Now make a variable and connect connect it into the adapter. Yeah, adapter linear, and put list that connects into the model inside of a normal bracket. Now back in here, call the id dot adapter and call the variable. And this code I will explain it later. Okay. Now after you done all of this and you run it, you will have a result curve view. But that result curve view is cannot be click or press because don't have any command. So now we'll make a detail. First make the detail, and inside of the XML or the layout, wait, design as you want. I'm using this, and don't forget all of this is need an ID. So yeah, here image detail, txt, txt cost, here txt name of the detail, the rate, the ID, um the widget that used, that will be have an object. Okay, you need it need an ID. The widget that used to move with object will is need an ID. Okay, back to detail. Where is it? Detail. Okay, make a component app companion object, and make a const file of every single widget in the detail. Okay, with what is it called, default value, and you can write, just type just type anything, anything. And then inside of override fun on create, um, call the id from here. Wait, the id, cost of the detail, call the id, and make it into text, and equal intent dot get string extra, and call the variable inside of a normal bracket. This and make all of this for the rest of it. But for the image is a little bit different. First of all, you call the id dot set image resource intent dot get string extra, and call the const file, const variable inside of a normal bracket, and to and dot to int, and put a normal bracket after it inside of a normal bracket. Quite difficult, but yeah. And now this is the get. Now we put, maybe I wrong. I have to explain the put. I have to explain the get, the this get string after I explain it put extra. Okay, I'm sorry, but continue. So the item view is need a command holder.itemView.set on listener curly bracket inside of it make a variable intent equal intent. This is a name of the variable intent and it dot context detail activity class.java inside of normal bracket, and then call the variable dot put extra detail activity is this detail activity dot the const file that's from the detail activity, and this is a variable from here that connects into to here to list data food and connects into the model. Okay, dot the variable inside of the model and make it for everything, and once again the image is a little bit different. It's after you put a variable from the from the model dot string to string and put normal bracket after it and then it dot context dot start activity intent, and after this the item will the cycle view will be able to click and move into the activity with an object like this. This is the recycle view, and when you press it you will be here with detail all of it with a different object. This is for fish, different object, right? And same for the others. Now I will make a profile is pretty much just intent. No, it's no yes, it's have a menu. Okay, here menu add. So you make what is it called, wait, a directory. Make a directory, just right click new directory for menu, and made that made this right click new menu resource file, and then add an item, uh, add the ID, icon, the title, and the show as action is if room. Okay, and then navigation, what is it, it's for the first one. We don't need navigation. Okay, now I will explain, and then this menu, this is inside the main activity. This on create option menu, menu inflator dot inflate r dot menu menu. This menu is from the directory this, and this menu is from the XML. Dot menu is from the, and that extend into menu question mark. Okay, and then return super dot on create option menu and put menu inside of normal bracket. Move on option item select set mode item ID inside of normal bracket. Move on set mode when choosing item, r dot id dot action action profile. Wait, wait a minute. Action profile here. It's an ID. It's an ID. So yeah, r.id dot the ID, the action ID, the item, and then curly bracket start activity intent inside of normal bracket this profile activity, cause this item will be moving you to profile activity. Okay, this profile activity class.java inside of a normal bracket. And then if you here now the icon be able to press and move into the profile activity, and in the profile activity you can design whatever you want. Oh yeah, if you want to use a font, just make a directory font, put your font, and in the text just type font family and call the font Berta Lascon Melanie. That's the name of the font. Okay, move on into splash screen activity. You can design it wherever you want. Wait, here's my splash screen, and then handler and a normal bracket after it dot post delay and a curly bracket inside of a normal bracket, and inside of the curly bracket start activity intent inside of the curly bracket this to main activity. After the delay, I mean the splash splash screen, it will be move you to main activity class.java. Just finish and put normal bracket after it, and then this is the time of the splash screen, and then this intent filter put it inside of the activity splash activity. Okay, and then I will start the project. Here the splash screen, and here's the recycle view, and move with data to object to detail, move with object to detail. And oh yeah, this back button just parent activity, type parent activity name, and call the activity the before the activity, like this is detail activity. Before you click before you click detail activity, you will be inside of main activity. So yeah, that is useful. Same for the profile. Okay, maybe that's all what I can say. Sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.